this is the result. Caramel. Let's start the recipe, guys. These are the caramel buttercream ingredients: butter, liquid glucose, salt, cream, sugar, condensed milk and vanilla. This is the liquid glucose, so we are going to start cook, and same time you can start warm the cream. So same time you will add condensed milk. Once you add the condensed milk, keep heating the cream and condense. Liquid glucose, keep heating and you add the sugar time to time. Condensed milk and cream, you just keep warm, keep ready and separately. This is how you add the sugar with liquid glucose. So you don't add the all sugar, but you can add 3 times. This is the remaining sugar. Now we're going to add all. So keep boiling until come golden color. Still you need to cook a little bit more. You can see now it's coming caramel color, golden caramel color. Now we're going to add condense and cream. So when you add, careful your hand because you've add. Now we're going to add vanilla liquid and salt. You mix the caramel until dissolve all the ingredients, and at last we're going to add the butter. When we're going to add butter, so you need to switch off the heat, then you will add the butter. So keep in mind, before you add the butter, all ingredients should be dissolved, all should be melted. So you can remove from the heat, so no heat. So until melt the butter, also you should continue mixing. So now your caramel sauce is ready to serve. So keep chiller. When you want to use, anytime you can take out and reheat, or you can put microwave. You can use straight away. After cool down, this is the result.